Hello everybody, it's Jalen here. Welcome to Daily Vlogs Vlog 48 something. I don't know. So we are spending night with our grandmas for this whole summer. And this Saturday, y'all, it's a Saturday that we're going to Oak Mountain. So this Saturday we're going to Oak Mountain. Saturday.
Okay.
And on the 16th we're going to Georgia. So I will show you the firework clips, and here they are. Wait, Cody. We're live at the same time.
I don't want to do them at the same time. I'll just do my first and Jen does his.
Wait.
First me. I don't want to do it at the same time.
Go. Oh, shoot.
Guys, hurry up.
Where did the other one go?
Let's go. I'm going to get the rest. Ooh, here they are. How do you have this one?
Can we say that one for tomorrow? Or come back to the house?
Okay, Jenna, here I go.
You gotta take it out the tape.
I did.
Oh, well, here goes.
No, these are bigger. And they're not the same because they're wider and bigger. They more have TNT. They have more. We still have got fireworks over there. I saw some fireworks over there. Yes, Mr.
Standing there in La La Land.
I was in 3DS, man.
I'm saying, Cody, move, Cody.
Excuse me, I was in 3DS.
Wait. Yeah. It looks like the fireworks brought some stars here.